Nikki, the Domestic Diva here, and I want to talk about stopping summer sickness and beginning of school year colds in their tracks. And one way to do that is to wipe down the light fixtures. You want to wipe down the light fixtures in the house. You also don't want to forget your doorknobs, even the door jambs. Everybody's touching all these areas and they're dirty. And when kids are coming in from being out at school, it's a good thing to do to get the year started because they will get sick. Also, even wipe down your phone. That thing is a harbinger of all kinds of germs. And so every once in a while you want to take a moment and with a little disinfectant spray, same that we just used for that, wipe that down. Also, your laptop or your computer. You want to make sure that every so often you wipe that keyboard down, you wipe that touchpad down. They do get dirty. You might even wipe that screen if you've got a touch screen. And then of course you want to dry it. But it's just a little tip. Mind you, at the end of the summer, get ready for school and keep your kids healthy and wipe down some of those hot spots in your home. Thanks.